Hello. So I received my tough Asus gaming PC today. I'm going to do an unboxing. I ordered it on Sunday. It's now Tuesday, so it's come in 2 days. I did get something that was had a sale on it anyway, so 300 off the price, and then basically it was something that was already built more or less. So I knew it was going to come quickly. So literally it came 2 days later. So I'm going to just open it now. It's all packaged well. Okay, as I say, it came very quickly. Just want to make sure everything. Oh, that's not good. I can just cut my head off there, and let's see how it works. Yeah, it came. Looks as though there's absolutely no damage or anything, because obviously it was just in a van, just crammed in. Go. And it was good to watch and track the testing and evaluation, everything that happened. Oh, so I'm opening it. Nice cover on top, dust cover. So let's get in there. Nicely packaged. Let's have a look at this. First look. Nice dust package. Oh, there we go. So it is a 1060 kind of board on here, and i7, so it's quite high spec, and nice big screen. Bezel's nice and small too, which is what I wanted. It's got a 140 fresh rate as well, and hypercool technology, so it doesn't get hot here on your wrists or whatever when you're typing, and a lovely big trackboard as well, which feels quite chunky, and the keys feel really good too. And of course we've got a red theme in it as well, so that looks really nice quality. It opens really nicely too, one finger. I wonder if I can open it on either side. Yeah, there's a little bit of bias, but it should open in the middle. Have a look at the connectors. USB 3 around there, HDMI on that side, and nice fans here. You can see the cooling fans, so make sure they don't get kind of clunked up with stuff. Notice there's not an SD reader, I don't think, but that's okay. I didn't really need one. I've got other connectors that can just do that job. Yeah, quite pleased with that. And the great thing is, it's not too heavy as well. I think the computer itself is 2.2, so you can carry it around. Let's have a look at the power cable, because that's obviously another weight. And see what else we've got in the box. Power cable. Ah, here we go. Oh, it's a big block, but it's not so heavy. And yeah, it's 100 to 240, 19 point. It's nicely packaged there, Asus. It's not too heavy, so together, it's okay. It's about 2.5, I think, or 2.6 kilograms, so it's not going to kill me walking about with it. A few other goodies that I got with it. Shadow of the Tomb Raider product key. In search of the incredible little book on it, warranty card, but I have to make sure I send off, and a Tough Gaming HDMI kind of card there. What I'll do though, I'll just get it working, and then stay with me. I'll switch it on now, see what happens, see if it blows up. Hopefully it won't. And I'm going to plug it in over here. Look at the quality of the screen. Why don't you do some nice shots of around the computer? So coming back to the power cable, it's really nice and long, so you can actually put it and have it a bit of spread. I don't think the battery life is hugely long on this, but it's going to be more of a desktop replacement for me anyway. Let's just check. Never usually check the instructions, but I will actually check the instructions. Connect, lift, press the power button. So we'll actually follow the instructions. Oh! There's a nice keyboard lighting up there. And charge the notebook for 3 hours before using it in battery mode for the first time. So we're going to leave it on the power for the morning, and we're going to see if it boots up. Something happened. Oh, lit up again. Asus. Let's see how much bloatware and stuff it's got on there. Is it trying to start? So it came with Microsoft 10 Home, I think, which is good enough. I'm just going to see what's on the desktop and what things we can remove. It's got a 250 SD, and it has a 1 terabit hard drive. So I'm going to just check out everything as it opens. Yeah, it feels nice. Definitely English, and feels cool right now. Be interesting to hear the...
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Cortana, thank you.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Right, sorry, you're out of here. Right, let's keep moving on. We're going to enter keys. We want to get going. See what the screen looks like. Yeah, but I'm really happy with how it looks. It looks kind of sleek, and I don't mind the black look. I don't need steel or anything like that. It has got like a steel effect with the plastic, and yeah, I can feel the fans. Yeah, you can, but it's really quiet right at the moment. I mean, it's obviously not doing anything much. Oh, telephone. Do you want to carry on with the process? Hello? Hello? Yes, possibly. Which Mr. White are you looking for? What's this about, please? Yes, we have. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. So, I'm going to go and log in with the password for the Wi-Fi, but not show that. Well, what I'll do is have a second video when I get it up to speed and put a game on it so I can show the graphics. So we'll pause there. Very happy with my Cyberpower. Didn't blow up, and wasn't expecting that anyway, but it looks really nice, and I like the quality of the build. It seems good. So it's now to check its performance. Bye!